Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next to. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of Euro USD, and what a move we saw yesterday. I have received many emails, messages on WhatsApp that you all have made good profit. Really, I was extremely happy. So before we proceed with the chart, I would like to show you the economic calendar. The main reason is that ECB interest rate decision coming up. So this will be an important factor. It will be an important event that will bring some volatility to the market. And secondly, we also have got some important news events coming up for US dollar. So both the events will bring some volatility to the market. So please be careful with your Euro USD positions. Now let's have a look at the chart of DXY, US dollar currency index. Yesterday DXY broke the major support here around 110 level, and right now we can see market is standing at 109.78. So the correction on DXY is still going on, and as a result the recovery on euro dollar gold is also going on right now. So DXY is approaching the next support of 109.30. And if we look at the chart carefully, then we can see that after 109.30 there is no immediate support. So if DXY, listen to me carefully, if DXY bounces from this particular support here, then yes, we will see a pause to the recovery of euro dollar. Okay, there will be some correction on euro USD, GBP USD again. Okay, but in case the correction on DXY continues, if DXY breaks 109.30, then there will be further pressure on DXY and we will see a good amount of recovery on euro USD and GBP USD. So please keep your one eye on DXY, because DXY's movement will be very important for euro dollar. Now let's have a look at the chart of euro USD. Okay, so as I clearly mentioned yesterday, that in case market does not respect the resistance, and if you see market going up, instead of taking a buy position at the breakout, you should wait for retracement or a pullback. And as per our expectation, we got a pullback and we saw a massive bounce. Okay, so right now you should follow the same thing only. Okay, because see, right now market is standing here. Try to understand my logic or my point here, or if I miss anything, please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn. Okay, right now market is standing at 1.0067. This is the current market price. Okay, so if you take a buy position here, your risk to reward ratio will not be in your favor, because you can see that we do not have any proper support, so market may come down also. And if you take a sell position here, okay, that will be very risky, because right now the current trend of euro USD is bullish. Therefore, considering the present trend of the market, you should wait for the market to come down to this particular support here. Okay, and as you can see that this is not a proper support, this is just a previous resistance or previous high. Okay, and usually in a trending market like this, we always see resistances acting as support. So if euro USD comes to 1.0042 to 1.0035, okay, observe the market. Okay, 1.0042 to 1.0035 level, observe the market and see how the market is reacting. If you see that just like yesterday, market is taking support, if you see market is showing price rejection from below, or if you see market forming a hammer kind of a pattern, you will get the confirmation that okay, euro USD is taking support. The previous resistance is right now acting as support, and you can click on the buy button. And for additional confirmation, you can also look at the chart of DXY. That will be much beneficial for you, because if DXY is going down, then yes, you get the additional confirmation that yes, euro USD will be going up. So yes, that's why I always talk about DXY also in my Euro USD videos. And in case market breaks this level, okay, in case you see that market is breaking the level and going down, yes, it may also happen. After all, no level is permanent in the market. But as a retail trader, capital protection is your first priority, our first priority. We should never gamble with our hard-earned money. So if market breaks this level, then you need to wait for the market to come down to 1.0000 level. This level has a high chance of acting as support or providing support to the market as of now. If you're thinking what is the reason, then the reason is previous price rejection plus 1.0000 is a psychological support for the market, as well as we can see that the blue line is the 50 moving average is also coming up. So if we combine all the factors here, then yes, there is a high chance that market will take some support, market will get the necessary support around this level. Okay, if market bounces, then only take a buy position. In case during the day, okay, because we can see that news is also coming up, news BRI. So in case if we see a sudden upside, okay, on DXY, then obviously no level will work. You must understand it. Okay, then obviously you should avoid taking buy position at support on Euro USD chart. Okay, after all, fundamentals dominate the market, fundamentals give direction to the market, and technicals help us in, for entry and exit only. Apart from these two levels, I would like to show you the resistance also. We have got resistance around 1.0200 level or 1.0160. This is the resistance zone for the market here. Okay, so if market goes up, you can see, you will obviously see some sort of reversal, and if market reverses completely, okay, from there, if you see strong price rejection from above, you can also take a sell position around this level as well. So these two are the support for the market right now: 1.0042 to 1.0035, then 1.0000. If market bounces, then only take a buy position. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. And my dear friends, today is the last day. From tomorrow I'll be starting my workshop. I don't know when I'll be starting the workshop again. So if you really like the analysis that I do, then you can also sign up for the workshop. This workshop is especially for those who are struggling with the market right now, not for complete beginners. If you're struggling with the market, unable to make profits for the last couple of months and years, then I think this workshop will be very, very beneficial for you, because after the workshop I'll also provide support for 1 month. There are many success stories, okay, because during the live sessions, okay, you'll get to meet them, you'll get to know them, okay, you'll get to talk to them. So if you're interested, you can sign up for the workshop. I think it will benefit in your trading journey. The link is in the description. Please check it out if you're interested. Bye bye, take care.